Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about some short but very impactful books. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First book is The Compound Effect, which is written by Darren Hardy, and this book is very useful because this book actually talks about how you can achieve massive results and be more consistent just by taking some small steps every day. And the next book is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy, and this book actually talks about 21 ways to stop procrastination and to achieve more in a very less time. This book actually teaches you how to manage your time well and how to achieve your goals just by following a particular plan, just by following a particular map, and how to become more productive person. This book is very small, but the things which has written in this book are very useful, and in fact you can finish this book in 1 to 2 hours because the book is very small but very impactful book. And the next book is The Rudest Book Ever by Shatav Gangwar. This book talks about how to stop pleasing people, how to increase your self-worth, how to start loving yourself, how to set boundaries and rules in your life so that you can free yourself from all the bullshit. Next book is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Again, a very short but very impactful book because this book actually talks about how you can achieve massive success in your life just by working on your attitude, just by working on some particular area in your life. So yeah, must read because it will take around 2 hours to finish this book. And the best part about this book, the language is very simple and easy to understand. The next book, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra, a very small book, and the book actually talks about 7 laws which are very useful to create productive and satisfying life. In fact, this book you can finish in an hour only. And a very popular book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book actually talks about how you can improve your communication skills and how to improve your relationships with all the people out there. This book will actually help you to improve your confidence level as well. So yeah, this book also very short book but very impactful. So you can also read this book as well because this book actually will teach you a lot of things which can help you to improve your communication skills. And last but not the least, one of the best books ever I read because this book is very small. In fact, you can read, if you do speed reading, then you can finish this book only in 45 minutes. And this book actually will help you how to deal sudden changes in your life and how to come out from the comfort zone and take actions to achieve massive results in your life. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get a notification. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.